Are you tired of the day-to-day struggle of chasing one client to the next? Do you want a better way to run your business that enables you to better predict your monthly income? One of the best ways to stabilize your income when you're a self-employed service professional is to create a monthly reoccurring source of income for yourself, commonly referred to as a continuity program. Hello, and welcome to this video training course. In this video, I'm going to show you the 4 reasons why you need to have continuity income. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, it's your passive income. What does passive income stand for? Well, passive income is an income received on a regular basis with little effort required to maintain it. What is the definition of wealth? The definition of wealth is the number of days ahead you can live on if you stop working today. Who doesn't want to be a wealthy man by just staying at home instead of working like a cow day by day? If you have the ability to create a multiple income streams that bring in recurring income that exceeds your monthly expenses, by then you are considered as financially free. How awesome is that? Now, if your business is running on products that sell only once, then you don't have a real business. There's nothing wrong with selling one-time payment digital products, but you need to create offers that have people paying you over and over again. I guess you're smart enough to know which business is the better one. Just try to imagine, if you have continuity income, you can start the month with income before you even begin working. All you need to do is bring in customers once, and they will continue to pay you for months and months to come. It's an all-for-one-off marketing effort. Another awesome part of continuity income is that it can be sold away. If you decide to sell your cash cow away, you can ask for 4 times to 10 times the annual profits. Now, you might be asking, how is that possible? Well, I'm telling you, yes, it is possible. Why? Well, it's because this is a real business and a real asset. In addition, for the passive income it makes, investors will buy.